Did you know that blueberry leaves contain just as much nutrition and in some areas more nutrition than the blueberries themselves? In fact, I've heard that the blueberry leaves contain up to 30 times the amount of antioxidants as the blueberries. What I like to do is grow the plant myself because I don't know that I've ever seen blueberry leaves available in the store. Maybe there's something called blueberry leaf tea. I don't know. I'm not really a consumer. I'm more of a producer. But maybe somebody can share with me if they sell blueberry leaf tea. But the best way to know that this plant has not been sprayed with anything, that's been grown organically, is for you to grow it yourself. Of course, we want you to continue to eat your blueberries. Got a little visitor here in the garden. We want you to continue to eat your blueberries, but we want you to focus as much on the blueberry leaves. These blueberry leaves are anti-inflammatory. They contain antioxidants. They help to lower the cholesterol levels, bad cholesterol, your LDL cholesterol. They help to lower blood pressure. They help to lower blood sugar levels. Man, what can I say? What can I not say about this plant? This plant also, these leaves also help to prevent macular degeneration. That's right. Very good for eye health. It really does not have a downside. You can eat the leaves raw, as I prefer to do. They taste better. They tend to taste better in the morning, first thing in the morning. If you can get out here before the sun comes up, they really taste good. Or you can take the fresh leaves, put them in an 8-ounce cup, boil some water, pour them over the leaves, and 20 minutes later you'll have a nice tasting tea that is also medicinal. There is so much value in this plant. You gotta grow it. Um, Look up, do your own research. Always do your own due diligence. Don't just take my word for it, but research blueberry leaves and add it to your garden. You're not going to have to babysit these. You're not going to have to say, man, I can't go on vacation because if I go somewhere else on vacation, my plant's going to die. This plant, once it gets established, will take care of itself. And it doesn't take long to get established. In fact, when you buy it, you're going to buy a plant that's probably, I don't know, 6 months old, maybe a year old. So it's already established. You just got to make sure you plant it in a good sunny location. This one here grows in partial shade. So they will even grow in partial shade. Um, this has been your natural mystic medicine man. I'll talk to you soon. Peace and guidance.